huge changes for Shiba Inus are on the way. Behind the scenes, big names like BlackRock are making big moves. This could be the last chance to get so many Shiba Inu coins for so little money. Allow me to explain. Nota bene, the owner of a mysterious wallet has bought 11,000 bitcoins worth more than $400 million in the last few days, making them the 74th biggest bitcoin holder. Online rumors say that this wallet might be linked to a big US asset manager like BlackRock. They may be getting ready for when regulators give them permission to start a spot Bitcoin ETF. They're sure that the Bitcoin ETF will come because they know it will. Also, don't forget to enter this channel's daily millionaire Shiba Inu coin offer. On the screen are all the rules for how to play. You should already know that a Bitcoin ETF is like putting cryptocurrency on the stock market. It makes it easier for regular buyers to buy and sell Bitcoin without having to go through crypto exchanges directly. This is a big deal because it lets a lot more people on traditional stock sites trade in crypto. I'll talk about how good it can be for Shiba Inu coin in a moment. But for now, know that a spot ETF would create trillions of dollars in value, even if only $20 to $30 billion worth of people bought them. Take a look at how the coin market works to understand why this seemingly small demand could have a big effect. The prices of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Shiba Inu change a lot. Even a small rise in demand can cause prices to rise a lot. Due to the limited quantity of Bitcoin and Shiba Inus, cryptocurrency markets are very sensitive to changes in demand. This means that prices could go up. A spot crypto ETF would make it easier for institutional investors, who deal in bigger amounts, to get into the market. This would make it more liquid and lessen the effect that big trades have on prices. Many people think it's a good thing that crypto ETF have been approved, which boosts investor trust and brings in more participants. Prices can go up in a loop that reinforces itself when people feel good. As more people join the cryptocurrency market, the general value of the market tends to go up. This is called network effects. Now this is where it gets interesting for people who own Shiba Inus. The S&P 500 comes to mind. It's like a list of the 500 best companies in the U.S. stock market. There are rumors going around that a crypto ETF will be released soon, similar to the S&P 500 but for different cryptocurrencies, such as our favorite Shiba Inu. If there is a crypto ETF like the S&P 500 that includes Shiba Inu, it could bring a lot of investment and attention to our favorite doggy coin. That makes a lot of sense. If more people buy in the ETF, it could make more people interested in Shiba Inus, which could drive up its price. It might be a good idea to add Shiba Inu to a crypto ETF. In the stock market, the S&P 500 is known for having a range of different assets. Shiba Inu is a part of a crypto ETF that is based on the S&P 500. It makes the mix of cryptocurrencies more interesting. This could bring in investors who want to buy a lot of different digital products at once. The Shiba Inu society is big and busy. Being in a well-known ETF could get even more people interested in and investing in Shiba Inus who already own or like them. The price of Shiba Inus might go up because they are more visible. Third, adding Shiba Inu to a crypto ETF could make it a better representation of the whole coin market. Just like the S&P 500 does for the US stock market, you can use it as a more true measure of how the whole crypto space is doing. Shiba Inu's price has also changed a lot, just like the prices of many other cryptocurrency. Being a part of a big crypto ETF could bring in buyers who want to buy assets that can grow. It's possible that Shiba Inu will help the general performance of the ETF if it does well. Getting the Shiba Inu community involved could also help the ETF become more popular with individual investors who are interested in Shiba Inus. In any case, all of that is just a guess right now. Now let's talk about something real, something that is likely to happen. Binance, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, has said it will no longer accept the BUSD stablecoin. The stablecoin will be removed gradually from spot and margin trading pairs. The value of BUSD, which stands for Binance USD, is fixed to the US dollar. It was made to be as stable as standard fiat currencies while taking advantage of blockchain technology's speed and lack of borders. As explained in the statement, users are being asked to move their BUSD holdings to other assets. The last BUSD transactions will be made on December 31 St. Also, this is really cool. When a big company gets rid of its own stablecoin, it needs to find something else to use in its place. And this is where Shiba Inu's huge project that is currently being built comes in. But I believe that now is the best time to make it public so that Binance can use it. You may not know this, but not too long ago, the Shiba development team announced big plans with the launch of the SHI stablecoin. Like other stablecoins, This one will be linked to the US dollar to protect buyers from the volatility that comes with many cryptocurrencies. Shiba investors who have already bought shares, called the Shiba Army, are interested in these changes, but new investors are asking important questions. They want to know what the SHI stablecoin is, how it might affect the value of Shiba Inu, and how it is similar to or different from Terra's fallen USD stablecoin in terms of how it is designed, and the new ways it can be used in the Shiba Inu environment. It's like other goods in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The SHI stablecoin is just an experiment. Lead project writer Satoshi Kusama has given information that suggests work is still being done and that the game might come out later this year. The people who work on Shiba Inu want to add a new prize token called Treat that will be given out to everyone in the community. It will work like Bone for gas fees. It will be up to Treat to help keep the Shiba Inu stablecoin stable. Its exact purpose is still unknown. Shiba Inu, the SHI stablecoin, and Treat are all important parts of the Shiba Inu economy. Even though each product does something different, they are all made to work together and help each other. Treat, for example, helps keep the Shiba Inu stablecoin in balance and is given as a reward for other ecosystem goods. The interaction between Shiba Inu, SHI, and Treat is meant to make the Shiba Inu project more valuable as a whole. Given that Binance, the biggest cryptocurrency market, got rid of its own stablecoin Bust, the current situation is very good for the people working on Shiba Inu to start their stablecoin project, SHI. If Binance stops supporting Bust, it means that they don't have any stablecoins available. This leaves a strategic opening for Shiba Inu to fill that gap with their future stablecoin. Given that Binance is a major player in the cryptocurrency world, it is possible that it is looking into alternatives to Bust to keep stablecoins working on its platform. This situation makes SHI a possible choice for adoption by Binance, which is looking to replace or add to its stablecoins. Shiba Inu's stablecoin can now take its place and get the attention of both Binance and its users now that Bust is gone. In the quickly changing cryptocurrency market, timing is very important. Right now, when Binance is actively looking for alternatives, there is a unique and good time for Shiba Inu developers to move. By releasing SHI now, they can not only take advantage of the space left by Bust, but also shows that their stablecoin project is a timely and practical choice for a well-known exchange that wants to add more stablecoins to its list. Shiba Inu could benefit from being added to Binance because it would increase its exposure, liquidity, and overall market effect. This is a strategic and promising chance for Shiba Inu.